Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, the Kiage Tumaini Boys High School staff with us, and a few of the students who have arrived, one or two. This is Kiage Tumaini Boys High School. I am the school director, Dr. Joseph Kiage. We are here to release the results of KCSE 2023 as after they were officially released by the CS for Education, the Honorable Ezekiel Majo. It took us a few minutes to get the results. There was a little bit of delays at the beginning, but the system started working and we are ready to go. This year, we are happy to announce that the school's mean improved from 9.23, what it was in 2022, to 9.745 2023. But of greater news to us is the students' performance. We started with an A and ended with a 1 B minus. The last student is one student with a B minus. And that means we have 100% transition to university in government scholarships and support. We are happy about these students. They worked hard. They were very dedicated. And perhaps for the public to know that we don't receive very good results from KCP students. We don't take very bright students. Our students' KCP marks range from 280 to around 340. And so when they get these results, we are very satisfied. We are happy that they improve what they come in with from KCP, and they end up going to university with very good grades. And we want to thank the students for the effort they put, but in particular, we want to recognize the effort made by the teachers, starting with the principal, deputy, and our teachers. They worked tirelessly. They were sleeping very late at 11 every day. They were waking up very early in the morning at 4. Teachers on duty have go to wake up students at 4 in the morning, and they start supervising their work. And we are happy that these boys have improved to 9.745, which is a mini grade of a P+. And we are happy, and we do hope that we will continue doing better than even this. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.
Highest.
Yes, it's an A.
Oh, among
This one is a P+.
I want to thank God for this great day. I'm Gilbert Roma Riba, student from Kiage Tumaini. I want to thank God for this great day and this great achievement. I'd like to give thanks to our teachers for their effort and guiding us through the 4-year term of being in high school. And I want to also congratulate all our parents who have been supportive into our work. Yeah.
What do you want to do?
I want to pursue information technology at JQuat.
We thank our parents, our teachers, and our able staffs for enabling us to pass. We have managed to pass 9.7, and thank you very much. It's by our able director, Dr. Joseph Kiage. He has been pushing us, and actually we thank him, and all has been good, and thank you. Thank you.